how to stop people from adding you to groups in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you tired of random people adding you to groups in Instagram? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how you can stop it. So, first things first, open up an Instagram app and go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right and then scroll down and tap on messages and story replies. Here, tap on message request and you will see who can add you to group chats. Tap on it. And now it is set to everyone on Instagram. So, what you can do is tap on only people you follow on Instagram. And now only your followers and the people you follow can add you to the group. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.